Are you searching for the best hair dryer brushes? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best hair dryer brushes in 2025. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. LISAPRO 3-in-1 Hot Air Brush 1-Step Hairdryer. 1000 watt power provides just the right heat. Unlike conventional hairdryers, this volumizer can be placed closer to the scalp for lift. 3 heat setting for styling flexibility. Ion technology, negative ions saturate the airflow. This helps condition, smooth and make hair shinier, while reducing frizz and stat. Oval brush design. Unique shape for smoothing the hair, while round edges create volume. Mixed bristles. Brush is designed with nylon pin tufted bristles for easy detangling. While the shaft is about 2 inch, the bristle tip to bristle tip width is 4 at its widest part. The tool is about 18-inch long. This is important to see if your hair is long enough for this tool. For voluminous blowouts, place volumizer under the hair close to the roots and roll outward to the ends. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds under roots. Less time working on your hair equals less damage.